All right, well, we'll get started then. So, welcome back YouTube. It's been a while. I think like 5 or 6 months now since we last posted. Apologize for that. Dalton was at college. He's back behind the camera. Dalton was at college, hopefully getting good grades. We won't talk about it. And I've been super busy out here at the airport. This has been one of my projects, this RV9. I did a complete instrument panel redo on it, ripped all the old stuff out. There'll be videos about that a little bit later on. But today, I want to just say welcome back. We want to try to get 2 videos out to you every week. The first one we're going to do on Tuesdays. We're going to call it Training Tip Tuesday. And that's basically just going to be me giving a building tip or maybe a flying tip. Whatever I feel from the week prior was something that I learned that maybe would be good for you guys to learn, or maybe it's something that you guys suggest in the comments. So go ahead and stick some comments in this video about maybe some training tips that you're curious about or that you'd like to know, and I will address them as I see necessary. But that's kind of how I want it to go. And then later in the week, Friday, Saturday, we'll try to get another video out of me flying or me building, or kind of probably a little bit longer video. So Tuesdays will kind of be Training Tip Tuesday. It'll be a little bit more educational, probably not quite as fun to watch. We'll still try to make it as entertaining as we can. And then on the weekends, we'll try to get some good stuff out for you guys. But welcome back. I'm excited to be back. Hopefully all goes well and we can keep getting some content out for you guys, but excited to be here. So let's get back to it.